as some of you would know, I did this brick heat reflector background with bricks recently. But I wanted to add it up a bit more, so I brought in some more bricks, and I'm just going to fiddle with it a bit more and build it up. So that looks a bit more finished now. Pretty pleased with how it looks. Nice and squared off. I also did a repair on the door a little while ago, last time I was here. So I replaced the fiberglass rope seal, the heat seal around the door. So that looks like it's all nice and set now, but still pliable, which is good. So yeah, all set, ready for the first use of winter.